In this video, we'll have a look at the home screen and how we navigate around Chintaro. From the home screen, there are three ways to get around in Chintaro. On the left-hand side is the main menu. This is a nested menu structure that groups system functions and screens together. Across the top, we have the toolbar that takes us to commonly used screens quickly, and in the middle of the screen we have the control panel with several different sections that are also designed to take you to certain places quickly in the system. First, let's take a look at the main menu. There are a number of options in this section, from clients through to system maintenance. Most of these options have three dots, known as an ellipsis, after them. The ellipsis means there is a submenu for that group that will appear when we click it. For example, if we click on Clients, we see that the menu changes to show us the Clients submenu. These options don't have an ellipsis, so we'll be taken directly to a new screen if we click on one. To get back to the home screen default view, click the Home button in the toolbar. To go into a search screen from the main menu, click the option you'd like, such as Clients. Then, click an option within the submenu, in this case, Manage Clients. This opens the Client Search screen, which is used to search for our clients. There are similar screens for tenants, properties, maintenance, transactions, and so on. Double-clicking any of these rows will open a client record, and double-clicking a row works in the same way for anything else you can access from a search screen. To exit a screen in Chintaro, you can also click the button in the top left corner with the little door on it, which closes this screen and goes back to the previous screen. For example, clicking this button will take us back to the Client Search screen, and if clicked again, back to the Client submenu. When we click it one more time, we're taken back to the home screen. Just as we click on the Clients option to go to the various client functions, you can click on the Tenancies button to view the various tenancies functions, and so on. We also have the option to access support on the main menu. If we ever need help with anything in Chintaro, we click this button, which will take us to a screen that shows the various ways to get help. Clicking the link at the top will take us to the online knowledge base, and this is the same as clicking User Manual in the toolbar, which we'll have a look at in a moment. If you're having technical problems, use the instructions in this section to raise a ticket to our support team. Let's click the Home button to get back to the home screen. Another way we can get around in Chintaro is by using the toolbar up the top of the screen here to navigate between different search screens, such as the Client Search screen, Waiting List Search screen, Properties Search screen, and so on. We can click on any of the icons in the toolbar to be taken directly to that screen. So if we click on Clients, we are taken directly to the Manage Clients screen that we were in before. One thing to keep in mind is that when clicking on any of these buttons, all other Chintaro screens, apart from the menu screen, will be closed. So if we're on the Client Search screen and we go to the Tenancies Search screen, the Client Search screen will be closed. Again, we'll go back to the home screen. Underneath today's date, we see a bulletin board where your organisation can post messages to each other. And below that is the Chintaro news feed, where Chintaro support will upload important messages for your organisation. Under the news feed is a graph of our current active tenants, where the blue section shows us all of the tenants who are in credit or owe no money on their tenancy, and the grey section shows us all of the tenants in active arrears. To the left of this, we have the control panel, which is another way to quickly jump to places in the system. For example, we'll see 4 different types of actions that have been assigned to us in these boxes. We can jump straight to property inspections from here, and maintenance from these sections. This section shows us all of the incomplete maintenance tasks, and if we double-click on the responsive section, it will take us directly to all our incomplete responsive maintenance tasks. Then we can go back to the main menu by clicking the Home button and do the same for the others. Next to our maintenance sections, we'll see who is logged into our system, and underneath this we see our current licensing information. When we've finished using Chintaro, we click Quit to Windows in the main menu to close the system.